The Bank of South Pacific is rolling out new services to its new branch with the installation of electronic funds transfer at point of sale or FPOS machines on the island this week. The new terminals will replace the outdated manual credit card payment methods used on the island previously, which were time-consuming and costly.
We've got about 10 merchants to convert, and this merchant will now see that when they get a credit card, and this is a Visa card at this stage, they could just swipe it on the terminal and get an electronic approval, which is online. Basically, this process will save them from calling the bank for an approval, which currently takes a day at least to get all the approval and the process going. But with this electronic terminal, transactions should be within 12 seconds approval, and they could just carry on with their normal day-to-day transactions. Basically, this electronic terminal has been out there for a while. We've got them installed back in PNG, Solomons, Fiji, and Niue. We're just rolling it out here now. And we've got 10 to cover here, and maybe other merchants that are interested to have that, they could approach our local BSB bank here, and we'll sign them up as we go on. I know from the bank we've got the terminal installed, and they've been credit card holders doing cash advance or emergency cash out, and there's been like 10 plus transactions in the last 2 days. With the merchants, we have to get that confirmed. We hope to do that sometime today and in the next couple of days.
To date, 5 FPOS machines have been installed at various business locations on the island. At the moment, BSB only accepts Visa cards, but are hoping that MasterCard will be able to use in the near future. Kevin Kassab says that all 10 terminals should be ready by the end of this week.